Inconvenience today for better tomorrow. I like that saying. Helps me feel less inconvenienced by the inconvenience. Okay. Back here, down here at the beach, I'm gonna finish up this ice cream and then we get a few other goodies here at the beach. I know I've already been here before, but there's so many things I haven't tried too, some of the little games. I just hope they're set up already because it's like kind of early. It's only 4:15. I was here a lot later last time. A little early today. I do love all the little ice cream sellers though. It's like the ice cream man that used to come in your neighborhood on his truck. They're just like everywhere. You can always get an ice cream when you need it.